Excuse me, could you help us?
Of course. How can I help?
We are looking for a hotel.
Which hotel do you need?
The Charles Hotel.
Yes, I know it.
Is it far from here?
No, it's quite close.
Can we walk there?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
That's great.
Could you explain the way?
Go straight down the street. Past the supermarket.
Okay.
Then turn right at the traffic light. You'll see a cafe on the left. The hotel is next to it.
That sounds easy.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Is there anything special near the hotel?
Yes, a small park.
Nice.
Many people relax there.
Sounds lovely.
We're new in this city.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Let's go. Straight then right. I'm glad we asked.
Me too.
Let's hurry a bit.
Sure.
My bag is heavy.
I can carry it.
Thanks.
No problem.
I see the supermarket.
Good. We're on the right way.
There's the traffic light.
Turn right here.
Okay. The Charles Hotel sign.
Let's go inside.
I hope the room is nice.
I'm sure it is.
The building looks clean. I like the entrance.
Let's check in.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
We have a reservation.
May I have your name?
Emma Miller.
Let me check. Yes, I see it.
Great.
One double room for tonight's.
That's correct.
Can I see your passports?
Sure.
Thank you.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10.
Perfect.
Do you need Wi-Fi?
Yes, please.
It's free.
Is there a gym?
Yes, on the first floor.
Nice.
Your room is on the third floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, on the right.
Thank you.
Here is your key card.
Thanks.
Checkout is at 11.
Okay.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Let's go upstairs.
I'll take the bags.
Thanks again.
No problem.
So, which floor is our room on?
It's on the 3rd floor.
Right.
Let's press 3.
Got it.
I'm glad it's not too high.
Same here. I'm really tired.
Here we are.
Room 312.
Let me open it.
Okay.
It worked.
Great.
After you.
Thank you.
Welcome to our room.
Looks nice. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
The bed looks comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Nice view from the window.
I like it.
The room is quiet. I feel relaxed already.
Me too.
Everything went well.
Yes, it did.
This balcony is really nice.
Yeah, the view is amazing.
I'm glad we chose the Charles Hotel.
Me too. It's quiet and comfortable.
I needed this break.
Same here. It feels relaxing.
Do you want to go out for a bit?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Maybe we can walk around the neighborhood.
I like that. It's easy and relaxing. There's a small park nearby.
That sounds perfect for a short walk.
We won't be out for long.
Great. I'll grab my bag.
And I'll take the room key.